So now that we have our mystery box lid opening and closing, we want to go ahead and fix the gimbal lock issue. So here I have it set to rotate by 125 degrees for the lid, or sorry, 120. And you can see it gets to 90 and then starts to freak out. And then once it goes to close, it again, it's not what we want. So we're going to switch from using a rotator to a quaternion. Now in our case, we can go right to our tick and change the type here from F rotator to F quat. And we're going to do that for pretty much everywhere. Then for here, for the lid open rotation, we can do dot quaternion. Instead of this being an F rotator, we can do F quat identity. And then here for get relative rotation, we want to convert that to a quaternion and then change R interp 2 to Q interp 2. And that'll convert it, well, basically do a interpolation, but with quaternions. Now this has a lot of conversions from a rotator to a quaternion, and that is somewhat on the expensive side. So what we're going to want to do instead is try to minimize it a little bit. It's not really important, but it would be nice to have. So let's go ahead and buy it. And there you can see the lid now opens, and we don't have those same visual artifacts, and it closes correctly. So what all can we change? The main one being the lid open rotation. That's something we are converting constantly. However, a F quat, I don't believe we can. I'm actually kind of curious. F quat. I don't know if we can do it in Blueprint or not. So let's see. Let's go ahead and close out of the editor. Make sure everything here is good to go. Remove the changing to quaternion and give it a try. Okay, so back in the editor, let's go ahead and select our mystery box, search for the lid, and let's actually enable that. And it seems like we are kind of good to go. So let's try the 120. Okay, so it does go ahead and kind of convert it for us. So now let's go ahead and press play, make sure that still works, which it does. Okay, so I didn't even really think about trying to do that. But anyways, this is a little bit much, so I don't want it to be quite that extreme. So I'm going to reset to 0 and do 100 like I originally intended, to where it's just past 90 degrees. So it kind of has that little bit of a over opened angle. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy that value, go to our mystery box blueprint, and search for the rotation here. Wait, that's not right. Search for the lid. Why is it called just rotation? Huh. Not exactly sure why it's named just that. But we're going to go ahead and compile and save. And that's actually a pretty good default value. So yeah, it's just going to keep converting to a rotator, so I'm not too worried about it. But we at least have our value set, and that should be pretty much everything we need to do there. Okay, so go ahead and reset, make sure everything is good to go, which it is, and save, so that way we can continue. All right, so now that that is out of the way, what I want to start doing next, this will be in another video, is this specific box overlap, so that we're using for the interaction. My main issue with it is, so let's say we buy the box. Well, we have a purchase enabled, so I'm spamming F, and it's still no longer allowing me to interact. But once it closes, I can interact again. I don't like that the message still appears. So the way we can resolve that is pretty much when an interaction occurs, so that Boolean is set to true, we can go ahead and pretty much just disable collision of this component here. Then once the purchase has, finished, we can re-enable it. And that's something we can do very easily inside of our onRep right here. So we're going to have to move this over to C++ as a component, as well as add some other additional stuff, like the weapon scene components. That way we can move it up and down, just small stuff like that. But regardless, that's going to be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.